What if I told you that making $1 million was actually not that hard? If you follow these 3 steps, I can guarantee you are well on your way to making your first 7 figures. And if you stay to the very end, I'll give you even one more bonus strategy that will help you make even more millions. When I made my first goal to make 7 figures in a year, it was the most taunting thing that I could ever comprehend. It is a large number, 1,000,000. It is scary, transparently, and we were brought up in this world to be realistically making $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 at most in any kind of 9-to-5 job. Ever since I became an entrepreneur, I realized how much more potential that I had to make as much money that I wanted to make. And it all started within the mind. The 3 steps that I'm gonna give you are 3 things that I've implemented every single day moving forward when I first made that 7-figure taunting goal. Number 1, focus on getting 1% better every single damn day. This is so important, guys. And it comes from the book called The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. And he talks about the principle of compound interest, specifically within a mindset standpoint. If you can focus on doing something different, learning something new, doing something in your business and in your life that helps you improve just 1% every single day, every single year you're getting 365% bigger. This was a game changer for me, and the reason why is because if you're thinking that every single year you can get over 300% better, you are having your mind stretched to think even larger, and you know the next year, once you see this work, is going to be even bigger for you. Step number 2, stop trying to figure things out yourself. What I've learned and realized that when you start your entrepreneurship journey, it's good to understand your business and what you want to do and try to figure out some of those things and have a high-level overview. But what I can say in confidence is there's people that are going to be able to show you the roadmap because they're already successful in that space. When I first hired my mentor in the Amazon space, the goal and the intent was to cut to the chase and do and follow a roadmap that was already working. Because of that, it allowed us to really be able to launch our business much sooner. Now, we got caught up in paralysis by analysis by all means, but when we really buckled down and we fully committed to ourselves, following that roadmap, that checklist of every single thing that I needed to do to launch my product, it was almost seamless. On top of that, you're gonna be able to learn from the costly mistakes that they made, and you're gonna save a lot more money. Now, there might be an investment to work with somebody, but you will get a return on your investment 110%, I can guarantee you that. As you start to scale up your business, this also still applies. And what I mean specifically is there's eventually gonna be times when you're gonna have bottlenecks. Instead of you trying to figure out what solution is needed to get out of that bottleneck, hire a consultant, join a program, hire a new mentor, work with somebody so that you can get out of that bottleneck sooner. And even better, build a team of A players that you can trust, let go of some of the control that you have on your baby, your business, and go ahead and give them the opportunity to take them by the reins and let them grow your business for you. Step number 3, don't wish things were easy. Wish that you were better. You need to understand, guys, that nothing in life comes easy. If you're doing the easy things, then you're likely not growing and your mindset is not growing. You're not putting in the right actions into your business in order to be able to stretch your mind and put yourself out of your comfort zone. You need to focus on doing every single task and approach every single task exactly the same. Whether it's hard, whether it's simple, everything that you need to do, there's only one solution in order to do it. It's to get better and put yourself in positions that will allow you to be better. And here is a massive bonus. Appreciate you staying to the very end of this video. But one thing that I realized, especially if you're becoming an entrepreneur, there is gonna be tons of shiny objects that dangle in front of you. If you are jumping towards those opportunities too consistently, you are gonna lose your focus. It is so important, guys, for you to focus on just one thing. And eventually, as you start to get really good at that one thing, more opportunities will come for you. Speaking on focusing on one thing, the importance of building an Amazon brand and focusing specifically on one niche is exactly the same thing. We put together a video that I'm gonna put up in the top right corner here for you guys to watch to help you understand which are some of the best niches that you can be solely focused on so that you can start being successful directly on the Amazon platform.